In today's video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from videos in DaVinci Resolve. Now, before we get started, there is a very important thing that I need to let you know, and that this feature is only available in the Pro version of DaVinci Resolve. So if you are not using it, unfortunately, this will not work for you. All right, back to the video. So first thing that you want to do is go over to the Color tab. Now here in the Color tab, we want to click on this icon here, and we're going to click on this pen tool. All right, so in this video, I'm trying to make this little boat disappear here. I zoomed in too far there. Let's just zoom out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make little selections around the boat. And this doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go to the tracker window, and we're just going to let this play through. Okay, so I could have just let this play through till this was out of frame, but just in case, let's let it play through all the way. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to duplicate our clip over here. So let's go over here and right click on our original and say add node and add serial. Oh, you can do this with Alt S. I didn't even know that. Let's connect the alpha channels here. And now we're going to go to our search bar. And we are going to just type in object removal, there it is, and drag it onto our second node. Okay, now we want to do a scene analysis and let that scene analysis run through. Okay, now that that's done, we'll have this ugly little mark here. Now, in order to remove that, that's why we made the second node, we just want to build a clean plate. And there we go. And that's how you do it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.